Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door reed switch in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door reed switch. There are two door reed switches mounted on this fridge. They are both located inside the control panel on the top of the refrigerator, one on each side. The reed switch senses the position of the door and communicates that info to the control board. The control turns on and off the interior lights, the evaporator fan, and the warning alarm. If the interior lights won't turn on when the door is open, or the evaporator fan is not running when the doors are closed, or the alarm stays on with both doors closed, check the reed switches and replace them if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. So now we need to remove this bracket on this side and the same bracket on the opposite side. I'm going to use the putty knife, insert it here. There's like a tab on the side. I'm going to press in and open it. And we go on the top, and we're going to remove it. This is the tabs I was talking about. Same thing here. I'm going to push it open and take it off. All right, and I'm going to rise above the fridge, holding in my hand a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws out. Start with this one. All right, now I'm going to lift this off. As you can see, we have two reed switches, one on each side, one for each French door. We're going to remove this one and replace it. I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. And we're going to push that tab out and lift the switch out. So now I'm going to remove it from this retainer. So now we need to disconnect this plug. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press on that locking tab and pull it apart. So this is the old reed switch. This is the old door reed switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I'm going to bring in a new switch and place it into this bracket. Press in and push down. And route it into the retainer. And connect the plug. And now we can install it back on. I'm going to secure it with the 5 Phillips screws. Now we're going to install this covers or brackets. I'm going to press on the tops first and push the bottom. Same thing on the opposite side. We're going to put these two posts into these two holes. Press it in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.